folks. In the previous video, we worked on images. In this video, we're going to talk about how to work on video processing. So the first step of the video processing is to capture the videos. I'm going to use my computer camera, which is on my laptop or computer, whatever you are trying to use. And then I'm going to save the video, the frame of the video as an image. So first step, capture the video. The second step, save the last frame as an image file. And that is what the idea of this video is. So let's get started. Again, for video capturing, you are still going to use OpenCV. So import CV2, import NumPy as NP. Next, you are going to do cam. I'm just declaring a variable cam. You're going to say cv2 dot video capture. So video capture is the function to capture the video. Then I'm going to write a true statement because I want the video to be constantly on. So while true, so the cam which you have initiated here, I'm using cam.read. That means whatever the video you are capturing, read it. And there is a cap frame. So this is the captured frame and this is residuals. We'll talk about it later, but here you have to have cap frame. I mean, it's a variable. You can write anything, frame, my frame, image, whatever you want to say. And then this is return. Now, after this, so cam.read you have captured in the cap frame, and then I'm going to show the cap frame. So the same show command, cv2.imShow cap frame. Now we have to use the break statement because you are in while loop. So I'm going to use the same wait key options, break. So very simple, video capture, cap frame dot cam.read, show the cap frame captured, and then there is a function of releasing the camera. So cam.release, so that it's available for the next program, and then destroy all windows. So very simple program just to capture. So let's run it. So you can see that the video is being captured, and this image I'm using on an iPad just to have faces ready for my next set of videos, which would be facial recognition. So by the way, on this video, now you're able to see the camera. All I'm going to do is escape and the video will go off. Now let's do an image capturing. Very simple. So in the image capturing, I'm going to write wait key 10 and C is capture. I'm going to say cv2.imWrite, very similar to what we wrote for images. Please watch my previous set of videos, and then break. So if I press C, the key C on my keyboard, it's going to capture and save it as capframe.jpg. Let's run this program. So the image is now shown, and I'm going to press C. As soon as I press C, it's going to save the image and close the camera. Let's do that. Pressing C now. Now let's take a look at where the image was saved. So let's go to this folder, and you can see that an image was captured, and there you go. So that's the image which was captured by the camera. Keep watching, things are going to get interesting from here. We're going to do facial recognition, we're going to talk about object detection. At some point in time we will use Azure API. There are a lot of stuff coming in, so keep watching. Thank you.